Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by signing into an administrator account so you can change settings immediately. Once signed in, create or link the child's account. This isolates permissions and enforces limits. Make sure the operating system is up to date. Updates patch security holes that parental controls rely on. Note the device name and time zone because schedules depend on them, and keep your admin password handy for confirmation prompts. Now, open the Settings app and navigate straight to Accounts or Family options to continue. Once in Family or Account settings, add the child profile if needed and choose Screen Time rules. Set weekday and weekend limits so habits differ sensibly. Next, restrict apps and games by age rating and allow only approved programs. This prevents accidental exposure. For browsing, turn on web filters and safe search and block categories like adult or gambling. Also, make sure you require approval for new app installs so you control downloads. These steps enforce consistent boundaries and reduce exposure to risk. To finish, confirm all settings and enable activity reporting so you see usage trends. Reviewing weekly lets you tweak limits and privileges. Turn on remote approvals for purchases and app requests so you stay in control without physical access. Make sure the device is syncing with the family account, otherwise reports and rules won't apply. If something breaks, first check the child's account type, then force a settings sync and update the OS. These fixes resolve most issues quickly, and you'll be back in control.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.